Today I got this pad for $8 at a garage sale today. So it works with Windows, Mac, and other software. Let's take a look at the back. So, as you can see, you can edit, paint, draw, write, and simplify stuff. There's a complete input solution. So this device connects with USB. You can see right there. And so that's why it's connected to a computer. There's a disk included, which includes Adobe Photoshop, Corel Painter, and Nick Color Effects Pro. And there's a mouse included. So if you don't want to use the included stylus, you can. There's another option because there's a built-in a computer mouse that doesn't need batteries. Other than that, let's start getting the box open. And I know it's upside down. So, here's the real box. So it says, if you see it in English, it says that this is your bamboo. Use it to get more out of your computer. Let us know how it goes. With the signature of someone. And now we are on to the first bit. So, first off we have the bamboo trackpad. So we have the bamboo trackpad. This is for scrolling up and down files. I don't know what these buttons are for, but I do know that the trackpad on this thing is for the stylus and the computer mouse. Okay, so let's go off the next thing. Let's do the stylus first. I don't know why that fell, but here's the stylus in its plastic wrapping. I'm not going to take the plastic wrapping off. It seems impossible to take the plastic wrapping off. Okay, let's go to the next thing, which I don't know what this thing is. Let's see. Bamboo Fun. Oh, I get it. This is where all the included software is. So Adobe Photoshop is on this disk. So let's keep that protected since I want that Photoshop. Good. Let's continue. So here's the USB cable for the device. Let's continue. So we have a computer mouse right here, which is just as usual. And I don't know what this is. What is this thing? Please let me know in the comments of what this thing is. So yeah, I think that's all. So I will see you later next time, and goodbye. before you leave, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Other than that, goodbye.